Loud.
God, don't you see we're wearing that heavy L.
I mean, Danny, go in first. Go in first. Go in normally. What's up? You wanna go?
Detected already. Detected. Just start it. Start loud.
Everybody get down. Everybody get down. Who's shooting me? I'm getting shot.
You even have cable ties.
Dude! I shot that guy like a billion times. You're joining.
Faster. Gabriel, get the jewelry faster.
Oh yeah. Money.
Isn't a diamond?
Diamond
Throw at the middle.
Yeah.
Throw at
Gabriel.
the middle.
Take the jewelry. Faster. Later you take the small jewelry.
Oh, yes. This is good. Taking all the jewelry. Get all the jewelry, bro.
Oh, disconnect again, Micheng.
I don't know what happening.
Why did you put that there?
What there?
Oh my god, I accidentally put down my... the medic pack on the table. Yeah. I accidentally put down medic pack on the table. Help me, protect me, I'm getting this thing. I got upgraded armor. Yeah, I got better armor now. Taking all the jewelry, by the way. So you protect me.
I already protect you. So faster. I'm faster than you, so fast.
Mincha, are you still recording? You should stop the recording and start again. Like,
I paused.
you paused? Okay. Yo, we're already playing like... Okay guys, subscribe to him. This is my friend. This is my old friend.
Faster.
We've been friends about like...
Okay,
We've been friends about 4 years.
what's wrong with your Wi-Fi right now?
I don't know.
Okay, you just join. You're just joining. 6 years later, joining.
I bet $1 billion when I join
Micheng.
Yeah, left.
Yep. You didn't left. Take your shoot.
Oh,
Okay,
Micheng is joining. Yes, Micheng is joining.
Okay,
Yes.
you can start your recording now. Start up your recording back. Oh my god! 90%. Okay. Put your recording. Put your recording back on.
I did.
You just left.
Fuck.
Protect me, okay?
Okay.
What time are you gonna sleep?
10:30.
Giro. Go to save Giro first. Shit.
I got so much
Shit.
money.
Micheng. Gabriel. Kill the cloaker.
Where is he?
Gabriel. Where are you, Gabriel? Don't need you already. Got people save me.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay.
Mr. C, we are recording.
Oh, is the English please? Thank you.
Don't speak Korean.
Somebody is saving you, Gabriel.
You just exposed where he is and what reason is that. What's
You
wrong?
shut up, cause they already exposed it. Like hell.
Like years.
But people haven't exposed where I am from. Don't do that, Kat.
I can expose right now.
No thanks.
Okay, Gabriel lives in
Got two sniper.
Beep. His mom name is
Beep. Oh, so much. Oh, yeah, so much. Oh, so much.
This is a 18 plus.
If I take a lot of jewelry, will I run slower?
Yeah. Yes, Mr. C
I mean, like-
joining. Yes.
Can you guys hear my background noise?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm trying to play, but
Oh,
my
wait.
network is not quite good, so I try. I think mine is worse than you.
Yeah, you can't even join.
So
I sniped the sniper using my
so
pistol.
Mr. C, could you stop
Okay. Secret the bank.
whining? Peekaboo.
Gabriel, faster.
You're faster, come.
Hey, Mr. C is joining. Okay, I'm trying to kill some other people.
Oh,
Okay,
Mr.
Mr.
C.
C, join. A karate kid.
Gabriel.
Stupid karate kid.
La 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 la.
Karate.
Okay.
Oh my.
Somebody is saving you, Gabriel. I saw it. So I killed
Somehow,
already.
I got my health next.
Gabriel, stop here. I give you the first aid kit. I give you.
Oh man, now I realize I only wear 2 pieces of shit.
You die, you piece of shit. No, I don't. Do you have ammo? Do you have ammo? I don't want to use this piece of shit. Assault rifle. Hate assault rifle. I need to attack myself like twice in a row.
My god, I lost one.
The music is like jamming, I think. I can't hear it right now. Thanks a lot. I really needed you to kill off.
Faster. Just secret the bag.
This stupid guy. I think you guys are just gonna watch me fail. If you guys still don't know what this video called, this game is, it's Payday 2.
We know.
I didn't call it Payday 2. I called it, I'm gonna call this video, 4 retards on a mission.
Gabriel, I am saving you.
Oh.
I am saving you. Just wait.
Oh, nice recording.
Nah.
Oh my god, my video is awesome.
Do you have ammo?
We all don't have, you know.
No, I mean like, does
My god,
no, they're taking all the stuff. They're taking all the
nice
bag.
video.
Shit, they're taking my
I
bag.
lost.
They're taking every single shit. They're taking every single shit. No.
Oh, Gabriel, you die again. Somebody is
No,
saving you.
Gonna use my mobile
No,
data.
no one's helping me. Okay, that option. It's hype shot. It's
Oh,
in
shit.
call.
Help me.
I am
Save
finished.
me.
Why aren't you? Why? You can't join, right?
Save me. Save
No,
me.
no. I don't have any ammo. Okay, I only have like 9.
Gabriel, save me. Gabriel. What are you
Wait.
doing?
Shit,
Faster.
I didn't know that.
Okay,
Bodhi,
bye. I'm the AI is good than you. It's
I'm
better than
coming for
you.
you.
shit,
Oh,
I
Gabriel,
got-
I'm saving you. Just wait, Gabriel, just wait.
I'm using my data. Data.
Just kill the
So, that's
kill
no
the
problem.
cloaker first. Okay, I kill
I
him.
have no ammo. That's why.
Okay, I protect you. Just go. You just take the bag.
No.
I'm coming, guys.
No.
Wait.
No.
Also recording.
Do you have
Gabriel,
ammo?
eat the first aid kit first. Here, Gabriel.
So,
Gabriel, here, Gabriel. Eat the first aid kit faster. Come here.
Gabriel, ammo here. I give you ammo.
Gabriel,
Here,
first aid
take
kit.
it.
Okay, I'm gonna die.
Eat the first aid kit, Gabriel.
I don't have any. Do you have med kit?
I give you already. I put on the ground and you don't want to eat.
Okay, I'm gonna go
I'm
take
done, gonna make it.
Shit.
Gabriel, I put med kit on the ground already.
Okay, finally I got more health.
I put so many on the ground and you don't want to eat.
You're lagging. Your voice is lagging.
My data is more better.
It's a lot better than your Wi-Fi.
Master,
Okay. Okay, take the bag.
take all the bag and go.
Yeah.
I help Gabriel catch more money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
help Gabriel to get more XP.
Wait, I don't need money. I only need to level up.
Yeah,
I'm opening that safe. Okay.
don't need a save, just go.
God damn. Go,
Because the
go,
save
guys.
just give you a little bag.
Yeah, it's really long. Don't take the safe.
Go, Gabriel.
Take too
Well,
long.
wait for
Come on.
you. Well, wait for you.
I think we won. Yeah.
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 Let's find some other missions.
Yes, my recording is done.
Yeah, I haven't. Hey, Hype Shot, you wanna play? You wanna join?
I just pause the video first.
Okay, I need to go pause my video.
Okay.
Let me
See
see
you
my
next.
video first.
See you.
I w